The next side we're gonna do is a roasted butternut squash.
Here's your list of ingredients that you will need. You'll need 1 buttercup squash, some olive oil, some garlic powder, and our house seasoning, and only 1 supply, 1 pan covered in tin foil.
First thing you have to do is cut around this squash. It's gonna take you a few minutes and it's hard. So I saved us some time and already cut it. So we need to just clean out all of the seeds. This doesn't have to be a side dish just for Christmas or Thanksgiving. This is a really good, healthy side dish to go with a nice roast, steaks, chicken. Okay, just clean that out, scrape all that out. I'm now just finishing up the second one, getting it all cleaned up. Just get all of that out really good. Okay, so we're all done with this. So we get ourselves a baking sheet with tin foil. This is gonna get really messy. You want the tin foil. So we're gonna just take some olive oil, put it all around quite a bit. This is gonna flavor this whole squash. We're gonna take our house seasoning, the 1 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of garlic powder, and 1/4 cup of ground black pepper. Now we're just gonna add some of our house seasoning, garlic powder, pepper, and salt, and just a sprinkle of extra garlic all the way around. Then you're just gonna rub it all in, just like this, on both sides. Get it all here and here. Get that all, everybody covered up. And then we're gonna flip it over. Still have some oil on your hands. Just oil that up. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 400 degrees. The squash is now out of the oven. It's been in there for 45 minutes. The way I can tell that it's done is when this starts feeling really squishy, okay? So this is gonna be really hot and really messy. Job. So we're gonna flip it over. Some of it might stick to there, and that's okay. What we're gonna do is just start taking all of the squash out of the skin. Just like this. Try not to get any skin because that is not gonna taste good. So just keep doing that till it's all cleaned out. I'm on the last one, just getting it cleaned out. This is a really big squash. They're not normally this big. So I'm done with this. So the next thing we're going to do is get like a potato masher. I don't know if this is potato masher or not. I think you can use it for biscuits too. So we're gonna kind of treat this just like mashed potatoes, okay? We're just gonna mush it. Get it real good. All mush together. Then we're gonna take, you won't normally need that much. So we're just gonna squish it all in. Push it all together. Kind of stir it, get it to melt. You want to do this while the squash is still warm so it will melt that butter. Now we're gonna add, I can't give you a measurement of this cream because it depends on the size of your squash and how wet you want your squash. I'm just gonna go around like this. Nice and stir. Add one more little touch of our house seasoning. Stir that all in. And this would be great with a roast, chicken, steak, Thanksgiving meal, maybe a little different. Hope you try it and enjoy it.